the College Disruptor.
As we mentioned in our video of the best sites to find free textbooks, Library Genesis is one of great hackers' favorites. Its layout is not the most user-friendly experience around. That's why we are teaching you how to search for free textbooks in Library Genesis. They are a file-sharing website with an enormous, more academically oriented catalog for undergrad and graduate textbooks. So, let's say we're looking for Introduction to Communication Sciences and Disorders, the scientific basis of clinical practice, a textbook that is worth $114 on Amazon. Instead, in Library Genesis search bar, we type the name of the textbook or the last name of the authors with the year of publication. It looks like we're lucky. So we click on the link and it will take us to the textbook page with all the information and links to download it. So, to finish the process, we click on this mirror, which redirects us to another page. Here we click on Get, and that's it. We've saved over $100 in just a few minutes from the comfort of our homes. Usually, the first link called This Mirror works perfectly and has the textbook. But if the download is taking too much or it's a broken link, you can try the following options until you find it. Now, Library Genesis can also be helpful if you're looking for academic sources for papers. You can type a keyword or subject you're looking for in their search bar, or just go to their topics menu and find the subtopic you'll be writing about. And that's how you can save hundreds of dollars by finding the textbooks you need for free. It is as easy as it seems. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share with your friends so they can save money too. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. We hope this video was helpful. If you're looking for other alternatives to find different types of books, you can watch our video with our list of best websites to find free college textbooks.